Good evening, y'all. Catfish875 here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing some cooking, very easy cooking, since everyone on YouTube does a cooking something or another. Today I'm going to be making that really good Texas toast or garlic toast or whatever y'all call it that your mother used to make with spaghetti. Or maybe she didn't, and I'm just the only one who has had this. I don't really care. It's really easy to make, really good, and this is just something you can make at home. You're going to need a couple of things, a couple of pieces of bread, butter, garlic, salt, dish for the butter, and a knife. I laid this bread out on a paper towel. Even though this isn't the first step. First step, I need to go over to the toaster and put it in. So this is why they don't let me out in public too often, because I don't know what I'm doing. I'm carrying a computer around to do this. Toast. Now in the meantime, second step is you take your dish, open up your butter, you'll need about this much butter. I don't know how much that is, I don't really care either. I'm going to take a little bit of garlic salt, sprinkle it in, probably about that much. Should look something like this. And then you want a little bit more butter. And you want to just kind of get that all situated. And we're going to put it in the microwave. You're going to want to put it in the microwave for like 15 seconds. You want it to melt, but not melt. In the meantime, you can go ahead and take another paper towel or something, and your knife. Oh, looks like it is done. Great. So now you have something like this. Go ahead and stir it. You can use a spoon, but I'm just using a knife because it's already out, easier. So this is the base garlic butter, but you are going to want to add a little bit more salt, or garlic salt to it, just to, it makes a difference, just trust me. And now we're just going to wait for the toast to finish doing what it's doing. In the meantime, go ahead and clean the knife off again. And put the butter up. We are still going to need the garlic, but that's different. So we're just waiting for, if you look right here, I don't know why I pointed to it on the screen. You look at that right there, that's the toaster. See, I don't know why I chose to do this today. I don't know why I didn't wait a couple of years down the line when someone would actually care. But here we all sit and wait. Next few steps are, oh, there it is right there. Okay, there's your toast right there. What you're going to do now is you're going to take your garlic butter, or only a little bit of it, like this, on top. Just need to use a little bit more. That'll be good. And you're just going to spread it. And you're going to put a little bit more garlic salt. Because high cholesterol hog. And then you're going to take a knife again. You're just going to go ahead and finish it. Now, again, this goes really good with spaghetti and things like that, but this also works really good with just any regular lunch. It's pretty simple, tastes pretty good. A little bit salty, but that's about it. Alright, thank you all for watching. Enjoy your